Hey guys, back for another one here. I hope you're liking these voiceover style videos to kind of give you a little more insight on my styles and get to hear the voice behind all the styling here. So for this style today, I am trying out a few new products. They are by IGK Hair, and it's the Volume Heat Activated Spray and the No Crunch Hairspray. So this is my first time trying them out, so this is me just kind of playing with them. And if you've watched any of my tutorials, you know I always start out curling the top sections just about the same every time. So that's this first little bit, what I'm doing, and then I'm just brushing them out with my fingers, adding a little bit of back combing. I love this 3-prong comb from Sally Beauty. It's really good, so if you don't have one, I highly recommend trying it. And then I'm just going to kind of smooth out that little bit of teasing just to make sure it doesn't show through. And then I'm going to take this top section and just pin it in place and then pull on it to get a little bit of texture, make it look a little more boho. Now I'm going to take 2 sections on each side and just twist them and tug on them a little bit to make it look a little looser, and then I'm going to bobby pin those in place. This is just me doing the same thing to the other side. The whole time I was styling, I was using the hairspray. So I put a ton of the volume spray in first, and then this whole time I was styling, I continually just grabbed that hairspray, and then I would pull pieces apart and hairspray them in place to give that a little bit more definition. Now I'm just going to curl the front pieces of the style that I've left out, and I'm just going to do the same thing, just lightly twist them, pull on them a little bit, and then pin them in place where they fit. Same thing on this side. You can kind of adjust where you're wanting this front piece to sit at. If somebody wants it a little bit lower towards their face to be a little more romantic, you can do that. This one I did a little more backward facing because I was wanting the bun to kind of resemble a French twist and sit a little higher. Now I'm putting together the bun, so I'm just going to wrap the hair around itself like you would to put just like a simple bun in your hair, and then I'm going to bobby pin that in place. Here I just smoothed it out a little more because I thought it got a little wild. So still doing the same thing, just making sure it's smooth. And then I'm going to take these bottom sections and twist them upward to the top of the bun and then pull them out. That's going to help them stay in better, and it's going to give us a really nice, easy transition into that French twist. Same thing on this side. Now I'm just hairspraying, pulling a few more pieces. This is where you're going to want to make sure you have the volume you want in the top. Now to finish off the bun, I'm just tucking in all of those little pieces that were poking out from where I had bobby pinned them up from the bottom. I'm going to continually add that hairspray to make sure that those pieces stay in place. Then I'm just taking the last pieces around the face and loosely twisting them and pinning them in place. Then I'm going to take those last few pieces that are just poking out from the bun, smooth them into place, bobby pin them, and then I'm going to hairspray it and just check over everything to make sure it's looking how I would like it to. And then I'm going to make sure that I curl those left out front pieces as well. Now I'm just showing you guys how I put in this hairpiece. So this one came with some extra little pearls on the side, so I just pinned it in and then added those little pearls. This is my interpretation of a French twist, but in a little bit more of a boho style, so I hope you guys like it. I enjoyed getting to use those products, and let me know what you think down below.